All right, y'all. I'm in Eastmark now, which is East Mesa. This is a neighborhood where some other clients are moving from New York. Main difference I can see since the last time I've been here is that they started putting in windows. And they have the tile on the roof ready to lay that. This floor plan has to be one of my favorites I've seen in quite a while. When you come in, you have a little courtyard area. Which I know the mister kind of wanted. I remember when we were looking for houses that he kept going back to the idea of having a little courtyard. So there's a front entranceway. But I'm gonna actually go back out and through the garage. Just gonna show you what it's like. Usually when we come home, we're going through the garage, right? And so I wanted to come through the garage. They have a 2-car garage or a 3-car garage. He is going to be an anesthesiologist. He went through the grueling process of medical school. She is I want to say a occupational therapist. I keep forgetting. Okay, so when you come in through the garage, you'll have a little drop space. You won't be walking through your laundry room, but it will be right there on the side when you come in. I'm one of those people that doesn't like walking through a laundry room, but it's nice that it's right there. You'll also have one of your bedrooms on the side of the house with its own bathroom, including a shower. You'll have a powder room right across from that, which is very convenient to the big open living room. You'll have nice tall ceilings, and it's hard. I know it's hard to visualize what this kitchen layout is like, but I'm in love with this kitchen layout. I remember what it looked like in the model. So you have your island right here. What's written on here? They're getting the waterfall island, which will be beautiful. An undermount sink. The stove will be right across from there. But then on this side, you'll have the microwave, the built-in refrigerator, and then it goes back to this corner, which can be like a little coffee bar area. And then you go into this walk-through pantry, which is very unusual and I love. It'll have, I think, 5 at least shelves on this side all the way across for storage. And then on the other side, there's this window and it'll just be another long countertop space and storage, which is completely open to this side. Again, more countertop space here and more counter space Hey y'all, I am here in sunny Arizona doing a live video for clients of mine. Let's see if I can flip this around. No, for some reason I'm not seeing the. Anyway, we have a high
Dining room, I think you need to have a chandelier. I think you need to have, and it could be a nice modern, I wouldn't like a ceiling fan there.
I agree.
But I would get it in your bedroom.
Yes, definitely bedrooms and then
You know. If they're putting light here, basic light.
yeah,
You don't need anything pretty.
the nipple lights. We call them the nipple lights. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
They look like nipples.
So again, yeah. In the light itself, seems like everything like that is blue gold.
Okay.
So it really depends on the fan how it is set.
And a lot of these lights, you can get them so cheap with not a lot of lights. The battery power lights, yes. I'm looking up everything online
But
because
how much is it for the wiring? It's costly.
it's a lot.
So, but in that room, you can add something like that.
Yeah.
Maybe not the electric, but you
Yeah.
can do something